Struggling to decide what to configure versus customize in Dynamics 365? Key Dynamics solutions help businesses accelerate implementation with intelligent AI agents. Meet Agent 2, AI solution design and configuration. Smarter design, faster setup. Role of AI solution design and configuration agent. Acts as an AI solution architect. Converts requirements into D365 solution design, performs fit-to-standard mapping, configures best practice low customization setup. How agent operates: gathers and analyzes business requirements, configures core system settings and financial setup, automatically creates sandbox and prepares deployment, generates solution blueprint and requirement mapping. Tools behind the intelligence: Dynamics 365, Power Platform, Azure DevOps, Lifecycle Services. What your business gains: faster design and setup, best practice configuration, accelerated D365 implementation. Transform D365 implementation with key Dynamics solutions today. Coming next, Agent 3, AI-assisted development and customization.